And welcome to our forum. This is the Smart Manufacturing Forum, actually the Smart Manufacturing for Semiconductor and Electric Vehicle Forum. We have two panels today. One panel focuses on semiconductor, one panel focuses on electric vehicle, EV. And our organizers include Tairoa, which is the Taiwan Automation, Intelligence, and Robotics Association, and our co-host is the China Productivity Center. Today our forum will be conducted in English, so apologize for those of you who do not listen to English all the time, but you'll be familiarized with our topic anyways. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we have speakers from all over the world to talk about semiconductors and electric vehicles, including speakers from Siemens, from Takeo, from Texas Instrument, and from Mitsubishi Electric. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our organizer, our host, the chairman of Tairoa, Chairman Mr. Dr. Si Guoyi, for the opening remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Si Guoyi, 理事长好。
Ladies and gentlemen, so on behalf of the Tairoa Association, welcome you to this international forum. Actually, I look at these titles, the topic we are going to speak and share today. Actually, I am regret. I hope I can attend this forum maybe 4 and 5 years ago. Because in the last 3 and 4 years, I just have a share with our Japanese speaker, Dr. Tarutani. Yes. So I learned a lot, very, very hard lesson in last 3 and 4 years. One of the lessons is I don't have a chip. I don't have IGBT. I don't have a TI chip. This is a very, very hard lesson because I cannot deliver. I have a customer order, but I cannot deliver. I dig a little bit into the detail why we don't have IGBT. And then I learned the IGBT. I think the EV industry also compete with this supply. And so, you know, my company also, I have a private company. Our major product is electronic product. We need IGBT. We need TI chip, but we don't have. This is a hard lesson I learned. Lesson number 1. Lesson number 2 is a sweet lesson. It's not hard lesson. So somehow in last 3 years, we have a lot of order from around the world, especially from the Europe, from the Germany, or maybe from USA. The order is coming from electrical car. Because for electrical car, it's new industrial revolution, ongoing. I think will be last maybe 10 years or 20 years to come. So our customer is coming from the machine tool industry. They need a huge amount of component and motor and sensor or whatever and bearing because they need to build new type of machine tool for automobile, for electrical car. So again, I hope I can attend this forum 4 or 5 years ago. Maybe I learn, I understand, I can predict the future. But still, I'm very, very happy I can, anyway, as a compensate, I can participate in this forum. Particularly, I have an interest of the chip, I have an interest of IGBT, I have also interest of the semiconductor. So that is my intention why I come to this forum. Although I'm also an organizer, but I am also eager to learn what is coming next. Okay, I hope everybody to join this forum will have a very, very, useful result for your today visit. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you to Dr. Si Guoyi, our chairman of Tairoa. Yes, nobody can predict the future, but we do the best we can today. Ladies and gentlemen, and now please join me in welcoming Dr. Eugene Lin from our co-host, China Productivity Center. Director Eugene Lin. 协理好。
allow me. Huh? Okay. Dr. Si Guoyi, Chairman of Taiwan Automation, Intelligence and Robotics Association. Dr. Hu Zhusen, Executive Vice President of Industrial Technology Research Institute. Mr. William Fong, Contact Manufacturing Taiwan Sales General Manager of Texas Instruments. Mr. Aditya Ramkrishna, General Manager of Siemens Taiwan Digital Industries. Mr. Thomas Fan, President of Teco Electric and Machinery Company Limited. Dr. Masayoshi Tarutani, Chief Engineer of Mitsubishi Electric. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, very good afternoon. On behalf of China Productivity Center, I would like to extend my warmest welcome and gratitude to all of you. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the Taiwan Automation, Intelligence and Robotics Association as the host of this forum. It's truly an honor to let CPC to co-host this forum. Under the scheme of Industry 4.0, the Taiwan government has been promoting smart manufacturing through the 5+2 innovative industrial plan. We seek to introduce smart technology to precision machine tools, which is Taiwan's advantageous industry, and build production lines for smart manufacturing. We start by building up national capacity and then move on to whole factory and whole production line exports. Through all these efforts, we create a whole ecosystem for smart manufacturing. The China Productivity Center has been in operation for 67 years, which means we are celebrating our 67th anniversary this year. We assist the government in promoting several smart manufacturing policies. Meanwhile, we hope to share our technology and experience in Industry 4.0 with APO member countries. The CPC has also been designated by Asian Productivity Organization, APO, as the Center of Excellence on Smart Manufacturing since 2019. Since then, we have been working closely with Vietnam, Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia and other member countries to enhance total productivity through smart manufacturing. For the forum, we will showcase how top-tier companies in Taiwan utilize key technologies such as smart manufacturing to improve their competitiveness. By doing so, we hope to facilitate technological exchange and to explore greater business opportunities for semiconductor and electric vehicle companies, promoting Taiwan's advanced smart manufacturing technology to the rest of the world. Finally, I sincerely hope this forum will do some help for all participants to discover the smart manufacturing development in Taiwan. I hope you will have a rewarding time over the next couple of hours and bring back the knowledge that can benefit your company or organizations. Thank you.
Thank you very much to Dr. Eugene Lin. Dr. Eugene Lin, please stay for the group photo. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our chairman, Dr. Si Guoyi from Tairoa for the group photo, our honorary chairman, Mr. Huang Hanbang for the group photo, and of course, Dr. Hu Zhusen from ITRI for the group photo. Please come to the stage. And let's welcome from Texas Instrument, we have Mr. William Feng. From Siemens Taiwan, our good friend Adi. And from Mitsubishi Electric, please, Dr. Tarutani, dozo. And from Teco, 范总经理 Thomas Fan, 范总经理请。 A wonderful smile because this is a wonderful forum. Ladies and gentlemen, I need your applause. 掌声鼓励一下，播下过来这里。Thank you very much. 报告理事长，对，比个赞，对。Thumbs up for our forum. Smart Manufacturing, Taiwan is doing a great job. Thank you. 哇，掌声自动响起，谢谢谢谢。One more photo call. Thank you very much. Thank you. Gentlemen, please be seated. Thank you, gentlemen.